Hello friends, what you should absolutely not do on automatic cars. 1. Constantly switch to 1. Neutral of traffic light and toffees. By the way, trying to save fuel at a traffic light is not worth it. Countless tests have proved the interface of this way of saving. But the fact that you constantly switch wear of the mechanism that will have to be repaired faster. After all, the valve body constantly changes pressure when switching. It's believed that in the machine, the neutral is needed only for towing a faulty car, and then only for short distance. When slipping in a skid in muddy snow, don't move lever from the forward D to the reverse R position too often, as the oil in the gearbox may overheat and this will damage the component and blocks in the box. About 90% of breakdowns are caused by overheating of the oil. Move the lever of the P parking position when the vehicle has not yet come to a complete stop. Leave the car on a slope in a P parking mode without using this handbrake. Thus, the load on the box increases significantly. It's impossible to switch sector D to neutral while the car is moving. This can be done if you plan to come to the complete stop. However, shifting from neutral back to drive will feel a jolt. The box will be forced to resynchronize the speed, which is difficult to do when the car is already in motion. The clutches will slap a lot, which increases their wear. In addition, this mode is usual as you suddenly need to accelerate sharply. Don't engage reverse gear while driving. The vehicle must come to a complete stop before reverse gear is engaged. Due to this behavior, the friction mechanism works unevenly. Part will be compressed by the brake mechanism, and part will have move freely. For this reason, the gearbox will quickly break. On an automatic transmission, you cannot press the brake and gas pedal at the same time. A special start with slipping will sooner or later end badly for the gearbox. In the same way, you cannot abruptly turn to the drive position if you give the engine speed in neutral and spoon it up same point. This will quickly destroy the friction linings. Score for regular oil changing in automatic transmission. Know that the oil in the automatic box does not last forever, even if a manufacturer claims this. An automatic transmission looks like little clean and fresh, so replacement should be done at least 60,000 kilometers average figure. And if you are convinced that the oil in the machine is designed for the entire life of the box, then we are probably talking about the period of up to 100,000 kilometers and then repair. And it's profitable for the manufacturer, you pay for everything. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.